Hello, welcome back to my channel. Let's continue to the explanation of HSK2. This video is Lesson 12, Dialogue 3 and 4. The Dialogue 1 and 2, I will explain it after this video, because in this video, we need to figure out one of another important character, the in Chinese. Is this sounds familiar? Because we've already learned a the. If you haven't watched the previous the related videos, please check out here. In Chinese, we actually have 3 the. They have totally same pronunciation and similar function. They all link to vocabulary and their description parts. The first the for nouns. This the we are learning today, fully related to verbs. Next the we will learn is in the future. And these 3 the, they all have other pronunciations with totally different meanings. So far, you may only make the other pronunciation of this the, which pronounces di, has meaning of floor, ground. So 地铁 subway. An example, 地上有一块地毯. More meanings and functions of this the we will mention in future classes. Today, let's focus on this the. This the can be used after a verb and adjective. When you follow a verb, the function is link the verb and the descriptions. 跑得快, 快, fast, is to describe how about the running. 起得早, 早, early, to describe get up early. 睡得晚, 晚, late, adjective, to describe sleep. 睡得晚. 唱得好, sing good, 好, good. Examples, 他跑得很快. 他的歌唱得很好. 他的中文说得很好. 我妈妈的四川菜做得很好. 弟弟的字写得很好看. 好看 is a vocabulary, good looking, looks good. Can describe movies, pictures, people, and views. 那个小宝宝穿的很多. The verb is 穿 and 多 to describe how about the wearing a lot. When the after an adjective, the structure will be adjective, the, another verb. It contains the meaning of doing something based on a certain mood or feeling. Examples, 高兴地跳起来. Before the is an adjective, 高兴, happy. 跳, jump, the verb. 起来, up, 跳起来, jump up. So happy, and then the action is 跳起来, you jump out because happy. 感动的, 哭了. 感动, touching. 哭了, cried. You cried because of you're so touching, so moved. 安静的, 可怕, 可怕, scary. 好吃的, 停不下来. 好吃, tasty, adjective. 停, stop. 停不下来, couldn't stop. Okay, now let's check out the dialogue. Dialogue 3. 下雪了，今天真冷。下雪了 snowing. 真 real, today real cold. 有零下10度吧。度 degree. In China and the UK, we generally use 摄氏度。零下 零 zero, 下 under. So under zero, minus 10 degree, 零下10度. When we say today is the specific degree, temperature, we say 有 and the degree. 是啊，你的 coming, 你穿的太少了. This is a verb and adjective. 穿 wear, verb. 太少了 too less. 我们进房间吧. Let's enter the room. 进 entry. Go into somewhere. Example, 请进, please come in. 请进. And if you watch some games, football, basketball, we have 进球, 进球, score the goal. This one only can be used for the ball need to enter a place. Then we can say 进球. Like volleyball, we can't say 进球 because the ball doesn't need to enter the basket or the door. 我明天要进城. Entry and go into the city. 好吧, and you also can say 好啊, because 好吧 generally sounds a little bit upset when people tell you something you hope they are to do but they didn't do. Then it was 好吧. But 好啊 is different emotion, like more excited. 好啊. In this context, you don't need to show any upset, so 好啊 will be better actually. Dialogue 4. 你在忙什么呢? What are you busy for? You are busy what? What are you busy? 我弟弟让我帮他找个房子，让 structure. My younger brother asked me help him find a house. So ask me to help him find a house. 3 verbs in a row. 现在 right now 他家离公司有点远，离 from some place. 他家 one place 离 another place 公司有点远 a little bit far. And 的住得远，住得近，住 live 远 far 近 close. So living far away, really tired. 很累 very tired. 他也希望能住得近一点儿. He also hope can live close a little bit. Before we finish today's video, I have some practice for you to help you understand the structure better. We mentioned 下雪 today. Then how can you say the snow is heavy? I will let you know the answers at the beginning of next video. This wraps up today's lesson. If you think this video is helpful for you, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you want to systematically to learn Chinese, my online class, Nicole's Chinese Mandarin for the real world, is in the description below. I will see you in next video soon. Bye bye!